Hello YouTube, it's Connor here, and today I'm going to show you how to overcheck your Claud Butler Urban 200. Okay, first the frame is a 6061 T4 T6 aluminium, as you can see. The forks are still ridged. As you can see there, the forks are still ridged. The bars are still semi-raised. The stem is alloy ahead, as you can. Oh crap! I'm in the thing. As you can tell, the speed is 21, as you can see on the gears and the chain.
Spar one pedal, it's pretty decent.
Yep. The front match is a Shimo TX31, as you can see right there over at the back near his hand. The rear match is Shimo TX35, as you can tell right down there if I move out the way. Yep. The chain set is a Sunta X CCT 28 to 38 to 48.
I've had it all greased, so yeah, it's pretty good so far.
The cassette is a 7 SPD freewheel 14 to 28. Over here. The front brake is an alloy V. The rear brake is an alloy V. It's quite good for like if you're doing a marathon on a bike. The rims are a double wall alloy, as you can tell that, and the wheels are perfectly thin.
And plus, as you see there, they're made from Italy.
Yeah, it's an Italy bike, as you can tell there.
Yeah, it's say by seat as well, handmade.
Yep. Italy, handmade. The front hub is a 36H alloy QR. Right there. The rear hub is a 36 alloy QR, as you can tell right under there. And the tyres are a 700 x 35 street front, 700 x 35 street rear.
Excellent for if you want to, in a rush or somewhere.
Yep.
Really fast bike.
And brilliant. So thanks YouTube. I hope you please comment, subscribe and like. Thanks YouTube. Bye.